when Yudhishthira Maharaj is about to leave his palace and go to the forest, when he comes to know that Krishna is no longer present in this world. So when Yudhishthira Maharaj comes to know that Krishna has left for his abode, Vaikuntha, so he decides that I also don't want to stay here anymore. I'll follow Krishna. I'll also go back. So he will call his ministers, the senior citizens of his kingdom, and he will nominate Vajra, the grandson of Krishna, to become the ruler of Dwarka. Then he will nominate Parikshit, his own grandson, to become the king of Hastinapura. So he will enthrone Parikshit, make him the king of Hastinapura. And then he will set out to the forest. But before he sets out to the forest, he will call Subhadra, the grandmother of Parikshit Maharaj, and he will have some final words of instruction for Subhadra. Subhadra is now the Rajamata, the grandson. So he will inform Subhadra that according to what I think is in the best interest of the people of Hastinapura and Dwarka, I have nominated Vajra to be the king of Dwarka and Parikshit, your grandson, to be the king of Hastinapura, who's still very young, inexperienced, but I have great faith. He's a great devotee. He's also very careful about following principles of Dharma. I have one parting advice for you as I leave to the forest. Yudhishthira Maharaj, the great son of Dharma, the embodiment of Dharma, embodiment of principles of justice, piety, truthfulness, he will tell Subhadra, no matter how dangerous the situation is, how challenging the situation looks, how hopeless it may be, how tempting it may be not to follow the principles of Dharma, he will warn and request Subhadra Mata, saying, never deviate from the principles of Dharma. Always steadfastly follow and make sure that your grandson also does the same, follow the principles of Dharma. So this is the parting advice of Yudhishthira Maharaj. From this we can understand, here is this man who suffered so much in his life. He was cheated, he was betrayed, he had to fight a war. He went through so many tribulations and challenges, and repeatedly he became a victim of cunning nature of the Kurus headed by Dhritarashtra and Duryodhana. But nevertheless, you can see his unflinching faith in Dharma. So even in this age and time, no matter what our situation is, where we are, it's always better, beneficial for us, for the society, for the people of this world, that we steadfastly follow the principles of Dharma. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.